In this video, I am going to show you how to complete the Sidra P2P verification. Step 1. Share your profile link. Person A begins the process by sharing their unique Sidra profile link with person B. This can be done through any digital communication means such as email, messaging apps, or social media. Step 2. Access P2P verification section. Upon receiving the link, person B should click on it to be directed to person A's Sidra's profile. From there, person B needs to locate and navigate to the P2P verification section as indicated in the user interface. 3. In the P2P section, person B will find an option to request verify. Clicking on this button sends a verification request back to person A. Person A must then log into their own Sidra dashboard to view the incoming verification request. They can accept this request by clicking on the designated icon or link provided for this purpose. Once person A accepts their verification request, they will be prompted to record a short video. This step is crucial and should be done using person B's phone. During the video, person A must visibly hold the ID card used for the Sidra account verification to confirm their identity. After recording the video, person A submits the verification through person B's device. The verification process is designed to be quick, typically concluding less than 5 minutes. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.